Hello. Saw your question on the discussion board. Noticed nobody answered it yet. It's about the price of gas. The mean price of gas, it says, is $3.64 per gallon. And then standard deviation, I guess, is 7 cents per gallon. They want you to use Chebshev's inequality to answer the questions below. You did okay on part A, but part B and C, I guess, you ran into some problems. Let's see, part B, you want to find out, what percent of the scores will be within 2.5, at least 2.5% of the standard deviations of the mean. And so this is the formula you need to use. And in place of K, you put 2.5 or 2.5, and I squared it, and that's 6.25. You have 1 divided by that, which comes out to 0.16. Then you subtract that from 1, so 0.84. So the answer, is 84%. At least 84% of the gas prices are within the 2.5 standard deviations of the mean. And then there was a second part to B. Let's see, the second part, you want to find the actual prices that, for within 2.5 standard deviations. So I take that 2.5 standard deviations, multiply it by, standard deviations 7 cents. So you want to find it within 0.175. So we take the mean and we subtract, and we take the mean and we add, and I get the two prices they're looking for. Gas prices within 2 standard deviations of the mean are between 3.465 to 3.815. That takes care of part B. Then you do have a part C. You want to find out, we give you the prices $3.36 and $3.92, and you want to find out what percent of the data, is between that. So I need to find out how far from the mean these two numbers are. And so I take each number, subtract the mean, which was given up here, and then take that result and divide it by the standard deviation. So that tells me, this price is within 4 standard deviations, and I repeat it here, and it's also within 4 standard deviations. So then I put it in this formula here, and this time I use 4. 4 squared 16 minus the 16th. I convert to decimal, and I get, then I put it in percents, 93.75%. Hope this helps.